Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is match the first letter of each picture. Dear students, in this lecture we will match the letters with the relevant pictures. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first letter is A. This is a lowercase letter A, sounds like A. Let's learn which thing begins with the letter A. A and. A and. Now we will match the letter A with and like this. The second letter is C. This is a lowercase letter C, sounds like K. K. Let's learn which thing begins with the letter C. K. Cake. K. Cake. So we will match the letter C with cake like this. The third letter is D. This is a lowercase letter D, sounds like D. D. Let's learn which thing begins with the letter D. D. Dog. D. Dog. Now we will match the letter D with dog like this. The next letter is B. This is a lowercase letter B, sounds like B. B. Let's learn which thing begins with the letter B. B. Butterfly. B. Butterfly. Now we will match the letter B with butterfly like this. The last letter is E. This is a lowercase letter E, sounds like eh. Eh. Let's learn which thing begins with the letter E. Eh. Egg. Eh. Egg. Now we will match the letter E with egg like this.